What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. We are diving deep into the top screen protectors for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to see which one truly deserves your hard-earned money and offers the best safeguarding. We'll meticulously count them down, compare them head-to-head on factors like durability and ease of application, and ultimately crown an overall winner that provides optimal peace of mind. Let's get into it. All the links to these fantastic screen protectors, along with any discount codes we've managed to snag for you, are conveniently located in the description below. Be sure to check them out after the video to make your informed purchase. Number 4, Milomdoi 9-in-1 Combo Pack. Kicking off our countdown is the Milomdoi 9-in-1 Kit, and honestly, calling this a kit is an understatement. It's more like a comprehensive protection arsenal designed to cover every vulnerable part of your new foldable phone. For a ridiculously low price, you get 3 complete sets of everything you could possibly need. 3 inner films, 3 front tempered glass protectors. Its main goal is to give you total peace of mind right out of the box, ensuring all angles of your device are guarded from everyday scratches and minor impacts. The included, surprisingly effective insulation frame makes applying that notoriously tricky inner film way less scary, helping you achieve a smooth, bubble-free finish without the usual frustration. While the inner film might not feel as slick or naked as the phone's native screen when you're swiping, the sheer value here, combined with its robust coverage, is just unbeatable for the budget-conscious user. If you want to protect every single angle of your new Flip 7 without breaking the bank, this all-you-can-eat buffet of protectors is an incredible starting point, making it a truly smart and economical choice for comprehensive defense. Number 3, IMBZBK Auto Installation Kit. Next up at number 4, we have the IMBZBK kit, which masterfully tackles the single biggest fear of applying a screen protector, messing it up and ending up with annoying bubbles or crooked placement. This kit's undisputed superpower is its ingenious auto installation tray. You literally place your phone perfectly into the specialized box, pull a simple tab, and it practically applies the inner film for you, effortlessly removing dust and ensuring flawless, perfect alignment every single time. It's a genius, almost magical solution for anyone who gets anxiety just thinking about trapped bubbles and frustratingly crooked protectors. Just like the Milomdoi, it's a full kit with 3 of everything: inner films, front glass, and camera protectors, so you're getting truly comprehensive coverage for your device's most delicate areas. The only real downside, which is a minor trade-off for such convenience, is that the clever installation tray does create a bit more plastic waste compared to simpler kits. But if your absolute top priority is a guaranteed, stress-free, and perfectly applied inner screen protector, this is hands down the kit for you, making the installation process genuinely foolproof. Number 2, YWXTW EZ Alignment Kit. At number 3 is the YWXTW kit, and this one is specifically tailored for the thinkers, the long-term planners, and those who prioritize enduring protection. Its entire focus is on solving the biggest and most unique problem with foldable screens, the inevitable crease that forms from constant folding. The inner films included in this kit have been rigorously strengthened, crease-tested to be extra durable, and uniquely formulated to resist lifting, bubbling, or showing premature wear after months and months of repetitive folding and unfolding cycles. The kit even generously gives you 4 inner films, intelligently acknowledging that this crucial, high-stress component will naturally see the most wear and tear over time. While the installation tool is a straightforward frame rather than a fancy automated tray, it gets the job done effectively and accurately, guiding you to a proper fit. This protector is the marathon runner of the group, built specifically to endure the unique, repetitive stress of a foldable phone's hinge mechanism, making it absolutely perfect for users who are more worried about long-term durability and crease resistance than a flashy or super automated installation process. Number 1, Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT 2-pack. And triumphantly taking our top spot is the Spigen GlasTR EZ FIT. Now, just like the LYWHL, this one is also exclusively designed for the front screen only, but it's an absolute masterclass in premium quality and user experience. Spigen is a globally recognized premium accessories brand, and their commitment to excellence truly shows in this product. The tempered glass feels incredibly smooth and offers crystal clear optical clarity with a fantastic oleophobic coating that brilliantly resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your outer display display looking pristine. Furthermore, the famous EZ FIT installation tray is arguably the best in the business, making application virtually effortless and guaranteeing a truly flawless, perfectly aligned, and satisfying installation experience without any guesswork. You only get 2 protectors in this pack, and it is undoubtedly pricier than other options, but you are unequivocally paying for that superior build quality, a premium touch feel, and a genuinely perfect, stress-free application. If you value a luxurious, premium feel and want the absolute best, most reliable protection for your front screen without compromise, Spigen is the undisputed way to go, offering unparalleled peace of mind. All the links to these top-tier screen protectors, including any exclusive discounts we could find, are conveniently placed in the description below for your easy access. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.